Changing your verification method on PayPal can help enhance your account security and ensure that you receive notifications in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Update verification method. Look for the section labeled 2-step verification or security keys. Here you can add, remove, or change your current verification method, such as switching from SMS to an authenticator app. Step 5. Save changes. After making your desired changes, be sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm your new verification method. You may be prompted to verify your identity again to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on PayPal. Remember to keep your account secure by regularly reviewing your security settings.